in this class, we're going to look at combination, okay? You will agree we have treated permutation. So in this class, we will be looking at combination. Remember, when we were treating factorial, we said, just as a revision, that if you have, for instance, say 5 factorial, it means 5 multiplied by 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1. You continue to reduce each number by 1. Okay? That was what we said. Then we said, if we say 5 permutation 2, for instance, it means 5 factorial over 5 minus 2 factorial. Then you work it out. What is combination? When you say n combination r, we are simply saying n factorial over n minus r factorial, r factorial. Remember, permutation simply means n factorial over n minus r factorial. As you can see, the difference between this permutation and this combination is that for combination, we go extra mile and added r factorial. Here, it's just n minus r factorial. Here, we went further to put over r factorial. So again, what is the difference between permutation and combination? Permutation is all about arrangement. When you are told that these numbers, these people, this alphabet, whatever, must be arranged in this order or in this pattern. But when it comes to combination, it's just combination, just combine. We are not interested in the arrangement. How your arrangement does not matter. It's like you want to cook. Why you want to cook, it doesn't matter if you put water first, before you put rice, then you put salt. It doesn't actually matter. Just combine them together. Actually, you can put everything at once. It's just a combination. Or if you want to make a cake, just make the cake. It doesn't matter the one you put first. Just put. Okay? So that is combination. Just combine them. Just combine them. But if you are taught, for instance, that this is Mr. A, Mr. B, Mr. C, A, B, and C, and they want to stand for a picture as a photographer, or the person that want to arrange them for the picture, you will agree with me that if this is A, this is B, and this is not B, this is not C, this is not A, here it was A, B, C. When these two pictures come out, you agree with me that this is different from this. When I give it to you to see the picture, you will agree with me that the positioning of this is different from this position of this. It means that this is what? Permutation. Look at this question. It says, in how many ways can a dictionary committee of 3 be formed from 10 members of staff of a college? This is just a committee to be formed. We are not interested in the arrangement of the committee. So therefore, because of that, this is a combination question. It means, therefore, out of 10, we want to pick 3 from these 10 members of staffs. This simply means equal to 10 factorial over 10 minus 3 factorial, which is equal to 10 factorial over 7 factorial, 3 factorial. You agree with me? If you solve this now, it means 10 multiplied by 9 multiplied by 8 multiplied by 7 factorial. Once I see 7, I stop. Just because I want to strike out this 7 and this 7, okay? It means we now have 10, 9, 8 over 3 factorial, which is 3 multiplied by 2. 3 here 1, 3 here is 3. 2 here 1, 2 here is 5. Okay? So what is this now? It means 5 multiplied by 8 is 40. Multiplied by 3 is 120. It means the answer is what? 120. So there are 120 ways of what? Of picking 3 people from 10 people or from 10 members of staff to form a committee of 3 people. Okay? Hope this understood. Thank you for viewing.